I got a new microphone and I wanted to practice projecting my voice. That's why I'm making this video, but I just wanted to show y'all and talk about my new character. Actually, not so much the character, more the controller, but this character runs off of MIDI, which is pretty cool, but all the MIDI stuff he has in him is kind of old school, and if it isn't broken now, which I'm pretty sure most of it is, it will break very soon. So I'd rather replace it with something kind of new and shiny. And it will be better for myself and others, so I can, add some shows to it. If I sell it to someone, I'll throw in, Songs of the South, that Zippity-Doo song. I'll throw in the America Sings show, and then I'll do the Abraham Lincoln show, and I'll try and find as much music that I can, use with this character that makes sense. I do also want to do some other modifications, like I think I'm going to switch out some of the valves, because it doesn't need all 3 ways. I'm going to replace it with some SMC 4 ways, I think. And I'm going to kind of replace most of the pneumatics and the bass and stuff. The cylinders itself looks pretty good, but all the stuff kind of under his legs isn't, great looking. The speaker is pretty good though, so I think I'm going to keep that. But the controller I'm looking at has a amplifier built in, which is cool, but I'll probably have to amplify it more because I got 2 of those big old speakers that I gotta run simultaneously. This character is going to be really cool, and I'm going to show y'all every process of me, modernizing it. And also, once I sell it, I'm going to do some, more characters. I have some characters in mind that are going to be really cool. Some position-controlled ones, some, very well-known name brand ones, which will be cool. But, it's just a process, and I gotta work on this. I can get it done, but, it might take a while.